guys, would you like to know what exactly is going to happen with you during this year and what exactly you can do so that you can make your life better this year for all the areas of your life? Hi, I am Preeti and I am going to take you on a journey. Yes, a small little journey for you and so that you can learn how exactly your year is going to turn out and how exactly you are supposed to do things so that you can make your life better this year. Okay, so let's begin with your health area. So first of all, we have these two cards for your health. And yes, so this card says that it is extremely important that you take control of your health area. Especially try to keep your masculine and feminine energies balanced. Okay, so you can say, oh, what is my masculine and feminine energy? Everybody has masculine energy and everybody has feminine energy. Okay, so how you can do this is you can actually follow the Anulom Vilom Pranayam that can help you to balance the masculine and feminine energies within you. Okay, so that is the first thing you can do to balance the yin and yang or the male and female energies within you. What is the next thing that the cards are saying? Okay, so yes, whenever any kind of celebration is going on, okay, just try to make sure that you don't do things where you're ruining your health. Okay, people usually ruin their health when they are celebrating. Okay, because during celebrations a lot of stuff happens. You eat a lot of sweets. Okay, you drink a lot. Okay, a lot of alcohol you drink. Oh, it's a celebration, it's my birthday, come on. See, it's a celebration. It's a moment where you are celebrating your happiness. Something good has happened, you are celebrating that. But don't make that day that actually marks a day for your bad health, where you are practicing something bad for your health. Okay, so something good has to be done when a good thing is being celebrated. Okay, so make sure that you watch yourself, that you don't do anything unhealthy when you are celebrating. Okay, the next thing, let's see what exactly is going to be the money for your life, not exactly for your entire life, for this year. For From this card we can easily say that money is not going to be great this year. There may be chances you may have to take a loan from people. Okay, you may have to take a loan from people, you may have to borrow money, you may have to take others help. Okay, there also may be chance that you may, surviving this year without money, it seem like totally impossible. Okay, because you may have like a lot of crisis in money area. And the card says that first just make sure that your health is well balanced. Okay, because of money, because of scarcity of money, it can also affect your health. First of all, make sure that your health is not affected. Okay, keep your health nice and balanced, and then you will be able to handle everything, every other difficulties as you can. Okay, so make sure that you first maintain a good balance with your health. Let's see what's happening in your relationships. Relationships is where you are, yes, you are, maintaining the relationship with your family, with your relatives, with your friends, companions, colleagues, all the people you can think of. So for these people, the card says that you actually need to be a master of your mind when you are maintaining relationships. So why is that necessary? See, it is very necessary because, yes, people may need your help. First thing. Second thing is, there may be certain relationships where you might need to be very witty, very sharp, because they may try to take advantage of you. But yes, you need to be very, very sharp, very, very smart with your relationships. Okay. And also try to be very good with your thoughts and very, very, very good with your words. There are times when you may have to select very sharp words also. Okay, but yes, you may have to do it with your relationships. Let's see what is happening with your love life. Yeah, so in your love life, we have this going out. And yes, going out and proposing, if you're a single person, going out and proposing, starting a conversation, going out on a date, all of this is necessary if you want to get into a relationship. Plus, yes, you will get a lot of opportunities where you can just go out and people hang around with people. Okay, it's essential if you want that your love life, it becomes fruitful. Suppose you are in a relationship, or you are married, then also working on your relationship, talking with your partner, going out with them, taking them around is important. Okay, so yes, both the ways this card is essential. Also, if you already have a partner, this card shows that not just having a partner, sometimes with married couples this happens, that they just feel so relaxed that they don't attempt to maintain that relationship further, because, oh, now they are the partner, now it's my spouse, I don't have to work any harder for that. It doesn't make any difference whether they are your spouse or they are your girlfriend or boyfriend. You have to make attempts to communicate with them. Okay, talk to them, hang out with them. Okay, do everything to be with them, give them your time, give them your energy. Okay, that is essential. Next thing, let's see what is happening in your career. So for career, I feel that yes, it's a safe place for you. Nothing extraordinary is going to happen, but yes, you may get promoted, or you may be praised a lot at work. Okay, whether you are in a job or you are in a business, still, yes, you can get a lot of appreciation for your work. Okay, and you may be very proud of that, which is definitely good. And yes, also, if you are not having any job, okay, there are chances that you may have to develop your skills, you may have to develop your skill sets, you may have to learn something more in order to get a good job. So if you don't have a job, if you are not working presently, then you have to develop on your skills so that you can get a good and prestigious job. Okay, so that is there. Let's see for spirituality, what exactly is going to help you develop your spirituality. Answer lies spending time with the opposite gender is going to help you develop spirituality. You will say, oh, how is that possible? Yes, see, spending time with person of opposite gender, this can be with your partner, it can be with your friend. Okay, but it has to be somebody of opposite gender. You are a male, that person has to be a female. If you are a female, that person has to be a male. So spending time talking with people of opposite gender, that's going to help you growing spiritually. Yes, this is something that's coming up for you. Okay, not always, but yes, this time this is something that's going to help you. This is something that's going to help you bring that balance. Okay, so yes, so that is it. And yeah, so this is what we have for your yearly readings. I hope that you like this reading. Let me know in the comments, how did you like this reading? If you have liked this video, hit the like button and share these videos, share the yearly reading videos with as many people as you can. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.